So, $25 front row, $25. 19384.
Number 017. 1970 Schwing Latour 12-speed road bike.
$50, 75, 100. 100. And 100, get another 75, get 100 on the beer, get 100 beer, get 75, 100 on the beer, get 100. 85. No foul. Don't take 85. 85, 100. And 100. 85, get 100 on the beer, get 100 beer, 85, 100 on the beer, get 100 beer, 85, 100 beer, get 100. So 85.
63 Vec split window.
15430.
Lot number 018, 1974 Schwinn Varsity 10-speed road bike.
I live in 75. I live in 75. But today it is 75. It will do it. It is 75. Here it is 75. Here it is 75. I live it, sir. Do we get up there?
Not that long. Some of them had low miles. 19,000. 23. That goes a while.
I'm quite sure how that works. Holy, that day. I live in the out here. Now we live. Now we live. I live 75. So,
Carlisle auction.
2014.
Lot number 019. This is an MMA Associates Mini Camaro Go-Kart, well preserved, not abused, vintage dealer promotional mini car.
How much you gonna get to get out? I have no time with it. Always know. Even the top down, now, ladies and gentlemen, you know what's involved on the 400 pounds. That means, I'm looking forward to it.
Coming up on a 1970 GTO. Rusty High. It's got an LS3.
Number 020, 2023, Zero Mini Jeep 125 Go-Kart.
Hey, very careful on that. There we go. 14 on the division. Hey, the 15 on the division. 14 on the division. 16 here. Now the 16, 17 on the division. 18 on the division. 18 here. 18 on the
Lot number 021, Casino showing electric dirt bike, 3,000 watt electric motor.
Ladies and gentlemen, excuse me, I have to leave. Somebody's talking to me. Beat it up 900. I'm sorry, ladies, that's not true. Beat it up 900. Hang it on, beat it up, roll away. And for the 900. Good luck. It's a 2025. Reserve off.
Lot number 022. A Mickey Mantle signed framed photograph. This comes with a letter of authenticity from the PSA. After the reserve is met, the rest of the proceeds will go to the Chip Miller Foundation. Once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yes, it's 29 here. Over the 2,000 letter of authenticity. These are the 2,000, here's going to be 2, here's going to be 2, 2, here's going to be 15, here's going to be 1,000. Over the 1,000, here's going to be $600, here's going to be 60 here. Over the 600, here's going to be $600, here's going to be 60, here's going to be 700. Over the 700, here's going to be 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 700. Over the 700, here's going to be 700, here's going to be 700, here's going to be 700. Yeah. I'll put you give it a bit time. One of them letters with it. You get it down, you get it on 800. 800, here you're going to be 8, here you're going to be 8, here you're going to be 7, you're going to be 8, here you're going to be 800. Close someone.
Lot number 023, handicap scooter with the trailer. After the reserve is met, the proceeds will go to the Jim Miller Foundation.
See you. See you next week. Look, I'm good. I know that we're going to have to look on. Oh. Apparently it was a misunderstanding. 200, 300. 300. Trailer couple of 300. 300. 400. 400. 300. 400. 300. 400. And you're going to be more than more. Four and a half. No, I get 4 and a half. Five. I'm really get another 450. Gonna be fine. Good. So, 450. 1042.
Line number 024, a custom little red wagon.
I'm going to turn it about 5. I'm going to get 3. You're going to get 3. You're going to get 3. You're going to get 2. You're going to be 2. You're going to be 2. You're going to be 2. Give on 100. 50. You're going to be 75. You're going to be 75. You get a 75. You're going to be 100. You're going to be 100. You're going to be 75. Get on 100. And then 100. You're going to be 100. You're going to be 75. Get on 100. You're going to be 100. You're going to be 75. Get on 100. 100 on the paper, get 100, get on 75, 100, 125, 150, 150, get on 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 125, gonna be 50, gonna be 50, he's gonna be 50, 125, gonna be 50, gonna be 50, 150. So, 125. 1771.
Lot number 025, custom built table.
I have another 3, another 3, another 3, another 2, another 3, another 2, give 100. 100 here, give 100 here, give 100 give 100 here, give 100 here, give 50 here, give 50 here, give 50. $50 everywhere, and $50 here, $50, $50 here, give me $20 and custom bid. $20 here, give me $5 here, give me $25, and give me $25 here, give me $25, and give me $25, 50. 75. 75. 75. 100. Get 100 here, get 100 here, 75. Get 100 here, get 100 here, get 100 here, get 100. That's better than bigger. 75. Get 100 here, get 100.
You'll go our budget. You'll drive my lane. That's all handmade stuff.
15199.
Lot number 398, 2008 Honda CRV 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission. Looks like they're bringing it on center stage. Again, line number 398, 2008
No, it's all painted
CRV,
stuff.
4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission. Ladies and gentlemen, proceeds from this vehicle benefit the Wheels from the Heart,
Probably the
an
nicest
organization dedicated to providing reliable transportation for single mothers as vehicles power windows, power locks, air conditioning runs and drives.
Not mine here.
Hey, everybody, thank you so much for being here. I first want to thank Tony, Carlisle Auctions, Mr. Miller, all the staff. They've been supporting us for at least 10 years, and they believe in what we do, so I'm very grateful. Just kind of a story how we got this car. This is how it's supposed to work. I went to college with a young lady, and we kind of were really close, and we lost touch. Out of the blue, I grew up 20 miles down the road in Canonsburg. I now live in Florida. But she reached out to me, so imagine the distance and the time, and she says, I see what you do on Facebook. I want to be part of it. I want to donate my daughter's car. So really, that's how we're supposed to navigate through life. Reach out to others, help each other, and be giving. So Wheels from the Heart, official 501c foundation. We've donated 206 cars to single mothers and their children. I can't tell you how epic it is to receive a car, especially as a mom. And most of us don't like to buy cars, only we do, but it's very painful, especially for a single mother with kids, with bad credit. It just never works out. So we're blessed, and thank God that He's trusted me to run this foundation, put it on my heart to do things with my career and tie in my calling, which is from God. So this car, all the proceeds will go. It just made more sense to sell it here as to bringing it down to Florida and finding everything that works out. So I thank you very much for your support. And if you get a chance, look us up on Facebook, wheelsfromtheheart.org. If you have a donate, we can auction it off. We've taken some classics where we've sold them. You get a good, a very nice write-off for the price of the sale. But then you possibly could buy anywhere from 3 to 5 cars for single moms. You'll get pictures of the moms. You'll get whatever. We put plaques in the cars, say, hey, this car is donated by Mr. Smith and his family. So again, thank you for paying attention and being here. And again, thanks to Tony and the staff.
Here we are, having the time of all proceeds goes to the charity. Taking it in one of the pounds here. I'm going to be 585 pounds, and I'm going to be 3 pounds, I'm going to be 3 here, going to be 2 pounds, and I'm going to be 2 here. I'm going to be 2 pounds, and I'm going to be 2 here, going to be 2 pounds, and I'm going to be 1,000. 1 pound, and I'm going to be 1,000, 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 I'm going to be 500. 600, 700, I'm going to be 800, I'm going to be 900. I'm going to be 900, I'm going to be 900, I got 9 way back, and you're gonna get 1,100, and I'll let 100 here, give 11 here. I got a 10 here, give 1,100 here, give me 1,100 here, give me 10 here, give 1,100 here, give me 1,100. Go to the left. 1,100, 1,200, 1,200, 1,300. I got a 1,500 here, give me 13 here, give me 13.